Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? I'm late. I'm late to go meet a couple of you, actually, that watch the videos that are here at the Paris right now, and I got stuck in terrible traffic, and I'm sorry, but yeah, I can see their hotel. I'm supposed to be there at 12:30. It's 12:32. But I'm almost there. I just hit, like, oh my god, like everywhere there's traffic. There's no getting around it. Oh, yeah. Okay, so anyway, yeah, a viewer's wife reached out to me a couple of days ago, said, hey, we're here in Vegas, my husband watches your videos, you know, can we meet you? It's like, yeah, sure. I've tried this a couple of times before, but the stars just didn't quite align. It's a long story. I tried it with Jeff McGovern, our pal Jeff, last time, but he was only here for a very short time. And by the time I finally heard from him, I had this thing half taken apart, and I wouldn't have been able to get to him before he had to go to the airport. So it didn't work out that time. But this time, like I said, the viewer's wife reached out, said, hey, said, you know, it's a good excuse to take a ride and meet some of you guys. And yeah, and now I'm late and I need to be over there, and I'm going everywhere but there, and check out the paddocks for Formula One coming in a few months. This is about as close as I'm ever going to be able to get to that, because I think you got to pay like tens of thousands of dollars or more to hang out there for the race. Oh, come on. Should I gutter ball it? Can I gutter ball it? Yeah, I believe I could. This is what I do for you guys, risking my neck out here. Yeah, buddy. There are advantages to having a ruckus, and I need all of them right now. And of course the ambulance is behind me now. Oh goodness. Okay, so she texted me back a minute ago and said they're out front of the Paris, and I should be probably about 15 minutes late now. And again, sorry guys, I did the best I could to get here. It doesn't usually take me almost an hour to get to the Paris from my house, but there's just traffic everywhere today. All right. I don't know where they are. All right. Well, that was the most fun I've had in a while. I just had the best time with Anny and Ray from Oregon, who are here visiting in Las Vegas right now. And Ray is a Ruckus rider, has been watching the videos, and it was awesome to get to meet them. So thank you guys, Anny and Ray, for coming. Thank you for taking me to lunch. We went to Giordano's, had some deep dish. It was awesome. Thank you guys. They let me take the leftovers too. Okay. Am I going to be able to get out of here? Yes. Because I just go like this. So yeah, shout out to Anny and Ray. You guys are the coolest. I had the best time with you. I can't wait to hang out with you again. And I don't know what else to say. I'm just, I'm blown away by this day. This has just been an awesome, wonderful experience for me. And man, it's a nice day out. It's finally starting to warm up around here. It's going to be in the upper 60s today. It's going to be in the upper 70s tomorrow. And then it's going to be in the 80s and 90s until it gets way, way too hot. And that's all coming soon, but I'm going to try to enjoy this weather while it's still around. Well, hopefully I can get... What's going on? Oh, I thought something was on fire. It's just hot asphalt. Wow, look at that. That thing's going to be so cool when the whole outside of it is showing what's going on the inside during concerts and whatnot. I think they said U2 is going to be the first concert there, and they're going to broadcast it. For anybody who can't go inside and see the show, it's supposed to be broadcast on the outside screen, so you can go outside and watch. And that'd be cool. Maybe we'll do that. We'll have to see how that goes. But anyway, guys, I sure do appreciate you watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Big shout out to Anny and Ray. So glad I got to meet you guys, and I look forward to all the fun stuff that we're going to do together in the future. But yeah, I hope all of you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always being here, and I hope everything is going great for you, and I sure can't wait to see you again next time.